In this video, we'll see how to print a calendar. If you want to take a printout or if you want to send a fax to a particular person, you can use this method. So let us see that. Now I'm in the mail pane view. If I want, I can go to this calendar icon and I can come to this particular view itself. Right now for this month schedule, that is December 2016, I do not have much appointments and all, but I'll scroll to next month. I'll show you this one. For the next month, I have for January 2017, I have some few appointments, some meetings over here. So what I want is, I want to take a printout of this calendar. Remember, the view is January 2017, that's the entire view. So if I want to take a printout, so I can just go to the file option and then I'll click on this print option here. Now, by default, when you click on this print option, you'll get this calendar as a monthly calendar wise schedule. If you see, that's a monthly style which is given here. Okay. So on this place, if you see the details of January 2017, all the appointments, all the meetings will be given here and you can see carefully here. But that would not be so great to understand what exactly is written. So you have to maximize the portion over here. That would be difficult for you. So there are different styles which you can select here. This was the monthly style. Suppose if you want the daily style, so if I click on this daily style, so this is for January 1st, 2017. What about January 2, January 3, January 4 and so on. So if you see, I have 35 pages which I can take a print of it. So if I click on this next, if you observe, that is January 2. If I click on this next, again I'll get January 3. So these are some 35 pages. You can preview those pages here. Now if you see here, that is from 7 AM to particular 6 PM, which is given, I think 6 PM. So where are the other timings which are given? So if you see, I have a scroll bar here. I can just scroll it down. I can find out those pages. Now this is for each page if I want. If you see, that's a daily style for each day I am getting it. But what if I want multiple pages at one go? Okay, so if you see at the bottom corner, I'll just keep my cursor. You can understand what is written here. If I keep my cursor at this place, it says actual size. So if I click on this place, this is the actual size what I'll get a print. If I go to the next option, if you see, that is given as one page. So if I click on this one page, okay, this is how a one page will look like. The previous one was actual style. And now if I do not want one page, but if I want multiple pages, I'll just click on this place. So this is how a multiple pages will look like: Jan 1st, Jan 2nd, Jan 3rd and Jan 4th. This is how you can work. If you want to see the other pages also, you can just keep on moving it. You can just keep on clicking on this arrow key here. Next one. This is for the weekly agenda style, but now I'll just bring it to the normal. I'll just bring it to the first one, that is the actual size. Yeah. This is the weekly agenda. So weekly agenda, if you see, weekly agenda style, January 16 to January 22. So if I go back, it says January 9 to January 15. So every week style, what are the details I have, what are the things I have to do it. So you can see January 10, I'm entirely free. I don't have anything, but in this place, I have something detailed. Okay, that is the weekly agenda style. But if I want to see weekly calendar style, now this is how a calendar looks like, and you can see weekly wise what is given here. Okay, all the details. So Jan 1 to Jan 7, I'll click on next, Jan 8 to Jan 14 and so on. Next is the monthly style, which I've shown you. By default, you'll get this monthly style when you go for a print option. Trifold style is something which you'll get more details in the short pane. So this is the, you can say, as a daily wise schedule which is given. This is the daily task list which is given here, and the right hand side you'll get the weekly calendar. If you see Jan 1 to Jan 7 and the data, we will get it, right? So if you want, you can keep on scrolling again and you can see the entire details. The last one is calendar detail style. If you see the entire month details, you'll get it. If you see calendar detail style, so on Jan 2, what is the details you'll be doing it? That was the project status, project problems, daily standard meetings. So detail, you'll get it. Minute details of the appointments, or you can say as meetings, everything you can see at this particular place. And if you want, you can keep on scrolling. Right now I don't have. Okay, so the entire day I have only one page. What are the details which are given here? So 5 Mondays which I have, I can see at this place. Now this was about getting a preview. This was the settings part, which is very important here. But if you want directly to print it, you can just click on this print option. And then finally, if you want, you can select from here that send to OneNote, fax and so on. There are different options you can select. Let's go to the print option here. If I click on this print option, if you see, the name is given as send to OneNote, and if you click on this drop down, you can select different options from this place. If you do not want to take a print, but if you want to send a soft copy, you can select this print to file. Okay, it will not create it will not directly send to a printer, it will create a file and save it. These are the styles which you have seen right now at the backend. Okay, and also there are some pages. Do you want to send all the pages to printing or fax? If you want, you can select all. If you want some particular pages, you can select as pages 8 to 12. So if you want 8 to 12 pages, you have to type like this, 8 page to 12 page, all the pages you'll get it. How many copies do you want? Do you want number of copies as one or multiple copies? You can select from here, increase or decrease from here. Do you want all the pages or you want odd and even number of pages? So if you want odd pages, select odd. If you want even pages, you can select even from here. And few more settings at the back end if you see at the bottom. Finally, what you have done is, if you want to see a preview, if you click on this preview, you can see the preview of the settings which you have done here, right? And I'll just click on this back option, right? So I hope you're able to understand how to get a print of a particular calendar. You can select the calendar and you can go to the file print option. That's all for this video.